I'm Karla Hooper, and thank you so much for purchasing an Earth Girl Beeswax Wrap pre-made block. So what I want to do is take you through exactly how to use your block to make beeswax wraps, and I'm going to show you my preferred method and the way that I would do it if I was making them at home. With this electric fry pan, it's pretty important that you get the heat so that it's not too hot. So they're all a little bit different depending on which one you use. So I'm going to turn this up to number 3. And I'm going to put my block in and wait for it to melt. So what I'm going to do is just manipulate the pan a little bit so that I can get all of this beeswax mixture coated on there. Side a little bit. So I really hope that this tutorial has helped you to be able to make your own beeswax wraps. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please let me know how you go with making them. I would love to see some photos and see your end result. Something else I want to let you know about, which is really very exciting, is that I am currently in the process of filming the Earth Girl lifestyle, which is going to be turned into a whole series of online tutorials. I will absolutely be announcing that to the world as soon as it's done, and if that is something that you're interested in, a healthy, low-waste lifestyle from scratch, I would love to see you on the inside.